and this is Therapy Explained. Okay, so we got 4 things that you want to be considerate of whenever you're looking at a therapeutic environment. So basically, therapeutic environment is the atmosphere that you essentially walk into when you get ready to engage in any type of form of therapy. And so we know that with COVID, that brought about therapy, a therapeutic environment, not just being in a therapist's office, but also being, in your homes, and for some, even in your cars. So a therapeutic environment is a place that has, for one, comfort. And the reason why a therapeutic environment should have comfort, whether you're in a therapist's office or whether you're at home, is because the nature of therapy sometimes can be a bit challenging because you're often dealing with some very uncomfortable emotions. And so the more comfortable you are in terms of just your space, that includes the room temperature, the furniture, even if where you are in your home, the more comfortable you are, the more likely it's going to allow you to have comfort as you process through some of the challenging emotions that often comes up in therapy. The second thing is confidentiality. Wherever you are, whether you're in the office or at home, confidentiality, privacy is so important to the therapeutic environment because the nature of the conversation that is taking place. And so we're sharing things that are very personal and very private. So when you walk into an office or a therapeutic environment, just be on the lookout on how much confidentiality is going to be there in terms of the space and the privacy, which is very important. And the third thing is going to be cleanliness. You often want to be in a space that is not cluttered, that is open or wise, because we're dealing with emotions that are so closed in. And being in a space can kind of help foster that sense of openness, that emotional openness that we look for in therapy. So cleanliness is important. And last but not least, and don't forget this one is very, very important, is coffee. There's not a really good therapeutic environment if it doesn't include coffee. Coffee is often so helpful because it just opens up the soul. Those are 4 things that you can consider when you're looking at a therapeutic environment.